luck, Mike.
You too, bro. See you later. Here you go. Where's your hand? Oh, here. Yeah, it's just been smoked. There you go. And good morning, everybody. Good morning to you all. Rubba and I are going out fishing today. We're here with Marty on his boat. Marty's friend's boat here, little IRB here. Marty's going to drop me off across the other side over here. I'm going to fish over there. And then Marty's going to take the boat out and have a fish on the boat. And I'm going to have a fish from the shore, Rubba and myself. Here we go, beautiful day here today. Probably our last little fish before our whitebait season starts up. Ew, that guy. Not sure what's wrong with his motor, giving a bit of a blast, but yeah, it's a lovely day here today. And good girl, it's not bad. Good girl. Yeah, bro. Nice, bro. You right? Yeah, bro. Oh. Here's the rope, right?
Staff, it should be first call, mate.
Nice. Got to stay. Yeah, nice, eh? Oh, nice. Oh, that's service.
I did too.
Oh, it's pretty good. Yeah.
It was just a little bit of hard thud, that's all.
Come on, girl. You haven't got a anchor, Marty.
Right. I just want to go for a fish without too much complication. So I just thought I'd try. You know?
Yeah.
I just thought I'd try. You know, it's just having an ankle is just another thing, you know?
Yeah. And bad on your back too.
Yeah, so yeah, that's what I was thinking, bro. Like, maybe in touch.
Toolbox and my chili bin. And my... Got heaps more. Heaps more room for yourself now.
Oh, bro, there's heaps of room in here being now. High five!
High five!
High five! See you, bro. See you soon.
Hey. There it goes. Quiet motor.
It's beautiful. Alrighty. Good luck, Mike.
You too, bro. See you later. Right, so there you go. Marty is off, and we're just going to go around the corner here by the statue. That saves walking about maybe half an hour with all your gear. How good is that? Here goes Marty up the bar. Oh, look at that. Look at that beautiful view. Spitfire. Right, we've got a spot right there. Look at that log. We're going to sit over here. Check that out. What a beautiful day. There's a bit of weed there, look. Might have a bit of weed on our line today. Hopefully not. The statue over there. Here we go. There's our beautiful view today. Check that out. What a beautiful day here. Alright, get my other gear and I'm gonna cast right into here. A good little spot. Alright, Rubba? So I'm just going to be using pilchards today. Bought some pilchards. Not too bad, they were $10 a bag. It's not too bad. A kilo for $10, it's cheaper than they have been. In the past, sometimes you're paying like $14 a kilo. $10. The old Iceman wekatani here. I haven't fished this spot before, but always looks like a good spot right by the mouth and a little channel here, so there should be fish hanging around here, I would say, hopefully. Here we go. Bait number one's in the water. Here we go. See how that works out today over here. There you go, balloon set up, the hand line, in case we get a kahawai I'll throw it out. We have, look. Oh, we've got a fish on, not a big one. Got it. Look at that. Oh. Wow. Check that out. Nice kahawai. Well hooked. He was going to go nowhere. Check the hook out. That was on half a bit of pilchard, that one. Nice big fat kahawai. So I'm going to put him out on the hand line. We're going to try it out. Just out here, see if there's any kingfish around. Maybe. So that was a nice big fat kahawai as a live bait. Hopefully some kingies hanging around. Oh, look at that, going out nicely in the incoming tide. Here we go, choice, check that out. Rubba, we've got a fish on board, so we're happy. You happy? Just using one hook. I normally use two, but I've been using one hook lately. Bit of a change. So I'm going to change this bait. On here I've got a bit of pilchard. Been on there for quite a while. I'm going to try this one on this here and see if we can get anything on this. Rubba, look at the bloody holes. Ah, back here, Rubba. Thank you. Hey Marty, how'd you get on?
Oh, I got a couple.
Oh yeah?
I got lots of baby
Oh, nice. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah. Marty, fish on. Fish on, Marty. Yep. There he goes. Woohoo! Yeah, boy. Second kahawai. That took a while. Not in yet, but. That one took the bait just nice. There we go. Yeah.
Yeah, you got 3 kahawai.
There we are. Yay!
So that one,
Nah, I just went off a live bait. Yeah. Yeah.
My one's a bit bigger than that.
Well, that one there's about 3 kilo on there.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Check that out.
Right. You got a couple.
And they're well hooked too, look.
Yeah.
Look at that, Marty.
I'm using little baby tarakihi hooks.
Look at that.
Nice. Oh, that's awesome.
Well, we'll just get a little photo of us. Ah. Oh. Right, there you go. Going to wash the old fish out. Put into the chili bin. So nice. It's been a successful day today. There we go. So I'll give some to my neighbour tonight. He can have some fish. He'll like that. A really good, awesome pilchards. Here we go. Oh yeah. That was a good fish. Take that one. Here it comes. Far out, that was a good take. Far out. Yeah. Choice. Kahawai number 3. Oh, he's just hooked. Check that out. Just hooked. Look at that. Nice. A bit bigger than the last one. Go. Choice, rubber, look. Rubber. Look. Yeah, bro. Right, I'm going to surprise Marty and but yeah, that was a good little session today. Enjoyed that. Very nice. Wouldn't mind staying a bit later, but wouldn't mind staying, like change the light. That was a good live bait out there. He did a good job. He or she did a great job. So thank you very much, Mr. Live Bait. Here he comes. Look, still full of energy. And there's our third fish to take home. There he comes. Thank you, Mr. Kahawai, for sticking at it for us. Did a great job. Thank you very much. And you're going to go well, I think, in the smoker. Yeah, I know. Yeah, nice fish, isn't it? It's a good size. It's a nice size kahawai. That one. Look. Look at that. Yeah, nice size kahawai. Check that out. Yeah, boy. Rubba. Hey, wrong. There I am. Far out. I gotta make another trip.
Right.
Come on. Right there. Come here. Come here.
Help if this bloody motor gun actually fucking did what it's supposed to, like being click and stay. And
Yeah.
then I'd feel more comfortable about fucking lifting it up. About having to fuck my back and put it back down.
Right.
Right,
Yeah.
you're on?
Yeah. You want to start up or?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
no, you just push this up.
Okay. Yeah, puta.
Just push this off and
Yep. I'm huffing. Oh, Rubba, we're in. We're over 50. Heck. It is, eh?
I've used this quite a few times. It's probably all I need, bro.
Yeah. That's all you need, alright?
That's the only thing to be better than a kayak.
Yeah. Way better. Isn't it? Yeah. It's like spring, isn't it? Spring weather. Hey, there goes everybody. Yep. Fuck up, boy. Stuck. Up you go. Yeah, up.
That's the way.
Oh, yeah, Rubba. Up. Oh, yeah. Up you go. Up. Yeah. Go, quick.
Oh, that's a bit nice.
Good day for it.
Yeah, beautiful day, eh?
Oh, there's a bit of blood on the
Yeah.
boat.
All strapped on, man. This boat's easy to put on the old trailer. Oh, it's a BRIS. Yeah. Oh, the inflatable BRIS. Hmm? Nah. Show you guys our catch today. Marty gave me his kahawai. So we've got 4 kahawai there. Got a nice one there, see, that's a nice one. That was my live bait. And choice, man, what an awesome day. 4 nice kahawai there, which we haven't had fish for ages, so I'm going to let this sit in the chili bin for a few hours. And then I'm going to deal to them when they're a little bit firmer. But choice, what an awesome day. There we go. Yep. Here you go, where's your hand? Oh, here.
Oh, well, oh, thank you so much.
There you go.
I'll let it sit a bit.
Enjoy it. Here we go. That's what it's about. He's happy. He doesn't go fishing, him and his wife, so. And he gave me his water blaster to use, which I cleaned the fence yesterday because our one broke down. So there you go, that's what it's about. So I might have to do a bit of a cooking up sequence tonight for you guys. I'm going to message Erin, she can go and get some Pack and Save chips, and we'll have hot chips and coleslaw and some fish. Yeah, man. Oh yeah, check out these lovely kahawai wings here. I've scaled them. Got the belly flap on there, butter, salt and pepper, a little bit of oil. I'm just going to wrap this up here and we're going to bake this here in the oven. These are our delicious kahawai. 4 fillets there cut up into little bite-sized pieces here. Yeah, check out that red part on the kahawai. I love that. I know some people don't eat that part. That is so yummy. Lovely bits of kahawai. So we're going to fry those up very soon in a bit of butter and some oil. salt and pepper. Yeah, doesn't get any better than that. Controversy, fish and chips, kitchen cooked, caught today. Check that out. So we'll just do a little taste test on it. So there we go, there's our delicious koi. I'm going to make some room for some coleslaw on there. That doesn't get any better than that, does it? There you go. Hope you enjoyed this taste test. It's tasty, isn't it? Hey, Rubba. Quite the whole quick. I'm going to try and finish off this video this afternoon. I've been really busy today, painting, water blasting the house. I borrowed my neighbour Mr. Corby's water blaster and I water blasted the fence. I did the garage today, I did half the house this morning. So I'm going to have a bit of a break now. I'm going to smoke up this. There's a lovely kahawai there. I've just split it, add some salt and some homemade horepito seasoning on there. It's going to be our kai tonight. Going to put that into the Weber along with this head. We'll smoke it up with some hickory chips. Doesn't get any better than that, does it? Here, boy, smoked kahawai. I'm going to give my neighbour Mr. Corby half of that because he enjoyed his fish the other night. He baked up the kahawai that I gave him and he really enjoyed it. And he was going to make up a smoked fish pie with the rest of it. Said to him, don't worry Mr. Corby, because I have got a lovely kahawai here and I'm going to smoke it up this afternoon and I'm going to give you half of that kahawai because you lent me your water blaster. And he was wrapped. Oh, Mr. Corby, he was so happy that I'm going to give him half the kahawai. Thank you for giving me his water blaster, which our one broke down, and there was no way could I have done this fence here without Mr. Corby's water blaster. So he is pretty happy to get the smoked fish this afternoon, so I'm going to smoke it up for him. Mr. Corby is a chef, so you know, he's a pretty good cook and he really enjoys my smoked fish. So I've got the Weber on, I've got a little bit of charcoals left, but it should be just enough to cook up the smoked fish this afternoon. It's 4:45 and it should be ready by about 5 o'clock. So Mr. Corby and Mrs. Corby are going to enjoy lovely smoked fish, and we're going to have the other half for us for tea tonight. It's first smoked fish in a long time, so really looking forward to having a bit of smoked kahawai for tea tonight. So stick around And we're going to finish off this video for you today. That's been smoking for about an hour. It's nice and slow smoking time. So I'm going to cut that in half, and I'm going to give half to my neighbour, Mr. Corby. He's going to enjoy eating that. Doesn't get any better than that. Lovely hot smoked kahawai. That, my friends, is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Our next video is coming up. Are going to be a few days of white baiting for you guys. So stick around, and I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys on the next one. You will take it easy out there, and we'll catch you later. Bye. Right, we're going to split it up. And you can hand it over the fence to Mr. Corby. Ready? Oh, check that out. That's a nicely smoked kahawai. Oh, look at the fat in there. Here, can you see it there?
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much.
There you go, it's just been smoked. There you go.
You can steal all that.
Yeah, we got half for us, so it's half for you.
Oh, but there won't be enough for you though, will
No,
it?
that's all right.
You take some.
No, you share it. No, we got half is enough for us.
Oh.
And we got fish from the other day we haven't finished off yet, so yeah.
Oh, bless your head.
So it's nice and hot. It's got a bit of horepeto on there as well, seasoning on there.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, that'll be yummy.
No sugar,
No sugar.
just salt and horepeto seasoning.
Right.
There you go. I hope you enjoy it.
Oh, he won't.
That's right. I couldn't resist. I still had some charcoals left to cook up some, you guessed it, some sausages. So they just about really, you can't smoke some smoked fish without smoking up some sausages. You know what I mean? These. Oh yeah. Smoked sausage and coleslaw. Check that out, delicious. Smoked fish in white sauce there. Parsley, leek, onion, a little bit of butter in there as well. Yeah, it's quite tonight. Leftover smoked fish. And there we have it, our lovely smoked fish and white sauce. A bit of a taste test for you guys. Oh yeah. It's nice. so nice with the leek in it. Yum. The parsley. Yum. Yep, that is a 10 out of 10 for that. Yeah, so nice. Yum. Yum. Best kai ever. Doesn't get any better than that, my friends. Doesn't get any better than that, does it? It's so tasty.